In this video, we're going to show you how to create a custom hatch pattern in AutoCAD. Hatch patterns are important parts of technical drawings because they help represent materials, surfaces, sections, and other design elements. Standard hatch patterns work well for many projects, but sometimes you may need a unique pattern that better matches your company's standards or project requirements. Creating a custom hatch pattern allows you to use specialized designs that are not included in AutoCAD by default. This can help make your drawings more consistent, professional, and easier to understand. Many architects, engineers, and designers create custom hatch patterns to represent specific materials or to follow industry standards used within their organizations. The good news is that AutoCAD allows you to create and load your own hatch patterns for use in any drawing. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple method for creating a custom hatch pattern in AutoCAD. So let's get started. The first method is to create a custom PAT file. Open a text editor such as Notepad. Create a new file and enter the hatch pattern definition using the required PAT file format. Each line of the file controls how the hatch pattern is drawn, including the angle, spacing, and line placement. After creating the pattern definition, save the file with a .pat extension. Next, place the PAT file in a folder that AutoCAD can access. Now, start the hatch command in AutoCAD. Open the hatch pattern list and choose the option to load or access custom hatch patterns. Locate your PAT file and select the custom pattern. Once loaded, choose the pattern and apply it to a closed boundary just like any standard hatch. You can then adjust the scale and angle as needed to achieve the desired appearance. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create a custom hatch definition using a text editor and save it as a .pat file. Second, place the PAT file in a location that AutoCAD can access. And third, load the custom pattern and apply it using the hatch command. Remember that custom hatch patterns can help standardize drawings and represent specialized materials more accurately. Creating your own hatch library can save time on future projects and ensure consistency across multiple drawings. It's also a good idea to test new hatch patterns at different scales to make sure they display properly in both model space and printed output. As your experience grows, you can build a collection of custom patterns that match your workflow and project requirements. Custom hatches may seem advanced at first, but once you understand the basic PAT file structure, creating and using them becomes much easier. And that's how to create a custom hatch pattern in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.